Hey there, Casey Dim at TaxSaleAcademy.com. A common question that I get is, where are tax sales held? I hear about these tax liens and tax deeds and everything else, and it sounds like an incredible opportunity. But do they take place in my county, or do I have to travel across the country in order to participate? Well, good news. If there's real estate nearby, there's probably also a tax sale nearby. A tax sale is simply a way for the county to get the back due taxes for a piece of property. So when somebody fails to pay their taxes on time, the county will either sell the property or they'll sell a priority lien called a tax lien against that property. So if there's real estate nearby, there's probably also going to be a tax sale nearby. Now, with that understanding, you have to also consider that there might be responsible property owners in your area. There's many areas, especially small rural areas, where they don't have a huge tax base, but they do have very responsible taxpayers. They might only have one person who's delinquent for 3 or 4 years. I've heard this in many different counties. In other areas, maybe some larger metropolitan areas or maybe some smaller states, they handle their sales a little bit differently, and you have to be an institutional investor, which means you have to be a big guy with lots and lots of money in the bank. We're talking hundreds of millions, if not billions, in order to invest. But the good news for me and you is just about all counties, with the exception of those small percentages that I just explained, they do offer tax liens or tax deeds. Now, as far as learning about your specific area, I've got a link down below. It's called my state guide, and you can check it out by going to TaxSaleAcademy.com/state-guide, or clicking the link down below. Click on your state. You can learn more information about it, and then from there, go to the county department responsible for the tax sales in your area, read through all their information, and start participating in this incredibly lucrative tax sale business. And of course, if you want the step-by-step process and the training that not only we have followed ourselves for the past 16 plus years, but also the same training that many of our successful students have followed, head to TaxSaleAcademy.com and become a member of the Tax Sale Academy. Again, that's TaxSaleAcademy.com and click on Join to become a member. Hey, take care, folks. Bye-bye.